Practical solution for covering and decoration of walls and floors in the bathroom. They are available in huge range of different sizes, colors and patterns. Picking out tiles for your bathroom remodeling project is not so simple anymore. There is so much variety in design, shape, color, texture that it can be overwhelming. A few years ago, tiles were mostly laid down for their functional benefits, resistance to water, durability, and low maintenance. But today, their aesthetic impact is just as important as their function. This is why manufacturers have expanded their selection to provide really unique style for homeowners. When choosing a tile for floors, you should be careful not to have too smooth surface. Due to frequent spillage of water in bathroom, smooth surface can be slippery and unsafe. Therefore, the choice of tiles and textures can significantly help to prevent accidents. If you are decorating a small bathroom, avoid large tiles which have bold patterns because in small area cannot be repeated many times and thus make visually smaller space. Generally, smaller tiles are beautiful solution in the bathroom, but you should know that maintenance is difficult due to their higher number of joints which get the dirt and dust. In small bathroom, choose tiles with bright colors that will visually increase the space. Ceramic tile is long lasting and easy to maintain with its countless design ranging from traditional and transitional to modern or vintage inspired. Patterned and solid ceramic tile works equally on floors and walls. Available in skirting, herringbone patterns, colorful graphics and all white, ceramic tile is both a versatile and practical way to express your style in bath. If your budget for home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on interior designers. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase the best interior design ideas that you will find anywhere. All our design ideas have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get the latest home decoration ideas. Whether on the floor or the wall, it's the perfect accent tile in any room, either in soft subtle hues or bold contrasting colors. The intricate patterns available for these tiles will lure you in and capture your heart. Pattern tile will continue to expand in popularity from subway tile to ceramic. It's safe to say that graphic pattern tiles can be anywhere and everywhere, especially your bathroom. This tile really gives homeowner the chance to tap into their creative side or hire a designer to get creative for them. Right now we are mostly seeing encaustic ceramic tiles being a popular choice for those with pattern tiles. However, porcelain tiles are coming out with the same thing. Expect to see an array of bold prints and colors all over the tiles this year. The popularity of matte finish tiles follow us into the new year. They feature a soft but powerful beauty styles that don't get too overwhelming. An advantage of matte tile is that they do not show smudges and watermarks as easily as glossy tiles do. This makes them ideal for the bathroom floor, especially in busy bathroom. The low sheen makes them easier to maintain when installing matte finish tiles. Make sure there is enough lighting, both natural and artificial, as these tiles are not known for reflecting light. Glossy finish tiles features a more dramatic effect on the bathroom. They tend to create an elegant, highly polished look and feel. This is why they are still popular. They are especially great for small bathroom as they tend to reflect plenty of lights and create the perception of space that is larger than it seems. But because they need more maintenance work and are slip hazard, glossy finished tiles are often used on walls or low traffic bathroom floor ideas. If you are looking for understated elegance, then unspoken sophistication, go for matte finish tiles. They are also great if you want an earthy style in your bathroom. Contemporary designs make big use of neutral colors, and that remains the case for 2020 bathroom tile trends. Bright colors such as blue, red and yellow are not commonplace in bathroom and will not be the shining star anytime soon. Instead, homeowners are falling more in love with neutral and especially nude neutrals such as grey and cream. Grey and beige have become super popular as complementary neutrals. Check out our video on interior decoration designs to get inspiration for your bathroom. For bathrooms that need a bit more brightness, white is perfect. The bathroom is built for relaxing and these colors reinforces this atmosphere. By being neutral, they allow the mind to stay calm and relaxed, creating the sanctuary in the home. You can use this color from the floor all the way to the ceiling. To ensure the bathroom doesn't become lifeless, layers in different shades of neutral color, texture, shape or finishes to bring everything together in a new and lovely way. Some may think subway tiles can be boring. Those white 3 by 6 inches rectangle can be quite commonplace. In 2020, subway tiles will get a bit more interesting as the tiles depart from the traditional size and patterns. Specifically, we are going to see these tiles offered in more colors, larger size and typical design patterns. Dome, beveled, arched and sculptural. Subway tiles are getting thicker and longer, with dimension as large as 8 by 20. Pair that with contrasting grout color and the stage has been set for a marvelous reversal from the common all-white look. You can even couple different colors of tile in vertical or horizontal bands or incorporate different pattern styles to create delightful wall mosaic for your bathroom. It's even becoming popular to see homeowners using mismatched tiles, patterns or textures to get the unique bathroom design all desire. The possibilities are really endless since the subway tiles can be mixed and matched in all sorts of fascinating variations. It is not just colors and patterns of tiles that are getting more diverse. Manufacturers are also playing around with the shapes,